Hello everyone, Dewa's here. This video will talk about how to create a working straight network cable with the RG45 connectors from the beginning to the end, and then test it with the LAN tester. As you can see at the screen, you need a crimping tool. The C86 cable can be customized to your needs. RG45 connectors, you will need 2 pieces since it will be used on both sides. And a LAN cable tester to check is it the cable work or not. Here are the steps. First, strip the cable for 3 to 5 centimeters. Until you get like this. And as you can see, there are 4 turns of wire, each colored in orange, blue, green, and brown. You can cut the white things here since it doesn't need anymore. The next step, from this part, you need to untwist it until it becomes to 8 of wires. After all wires are untwisted, it's time to straighten the wire. This step is quite difficult because the cables are stiff and still carry the twist shape from before. So maybe you guys should try to straighten it before putting it together like the T568B sequence. Since I'm using the T568B, I will adjust the order of the cables according to the diagram beside. Arranging the cables start from white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. After all of the wires already arranged, you need to make sure if every end of it should be same before you use the crimping tool. After all the wires are sequenced and already have the same size for the end, now it's time to put the cable to the RG45 connector. You can assume the side of RG which has something that can be pushed as the tail side. Now plug the cable. Make sure the sequence still the same until it's plugged properly on the RG45. This is the key. When the tail side is on the downside, make sure the for left is the white orange wire and the for right is the brown wire. When it's done, use the crimping tool to lock the cable with the RG45. Make sure you hear the click sound when pressing the crimping tool. After the both sides have same arranged cable, now it's time to test the cable. Put one side of cable into this part and the other side in here. When the cable is plugged properly, turn on the LAN cable tester. And if the lights show in an order way, the light is flashing in some order like this, it means your cable is worked and ready to use. But if it's not showing anything, it means it failed an error. You need to build the new one. And if the light's not in the same order, it means there is a possibility if your cable is not sequenced properly.